come with me to the range today. Let's go. What's going on, guys? So today I'm here with my brother. Going to do some target shooting here at Church Camp Road, right next to Lake Pleasant. This would be the entrance here. I've been here a few times already. This is a really nice spot to come shoot. They got restrooms and ramadas here. So you just gotta find the right time to get here and shoot. Setting up right now. So here are the rules. These are set right here. Check the safety off. Oh, it's ready. Just hammer it back down and push the safety in. You're ready now. Hitting.
And then after you shoot, slide or hold up, back in. David! Wait. Let me take it.
You're right on it.
Alright, you're good. Wait, David. Yeah, that's the what you want to do. Here, hold on. That's as good as mine. Okay, before we get shooting, like a fucking heel. So,
Hence
when
why I
you're
also
using it,
bought the kit a little bit. It's nowhere near the kit as the 300. So you don't have to really worry about scope eye with it. Yeah. Let's kind of rock it.
Church Camp Hill Road. It's been fun. Got a lot to do.
We got more.
With the target being so close over there, what are the chances of ricocheting right off the top? That's crazy.
Finish it?
Yeah, just do 5. Give it a strong 5.
Well, wasn't able to do an update on the 43X. It had some malfunctions, so maybe next time. But it was a fun time. It was a fun time though. Check out this 19X stuff. It's the 43X twin.
Little brother.
Little brother.
Big brother.
Alright. See you guys when we get home to unload all this mess.
So they have a twisted around their quad too, like me.
They're dirt bike riders for sure. Show them your battle scars. Yeah, I ain't got shit. Not yet, not yet.
Rifle scars. Battle scars.
Back home, about to take this 43X apart, see what the problem was, why it was malfunctioning. So, here with the kids outside playing basketball. But here's a 43X.
Get on your guy.
Yeah.
Dad,
Let's take her apart and see what's going on.
I'm
I found the problem. I don't know if you can see it there. The firing pin is stopping it from chambering. So it's because I changed the back plate. I had a Louis Vuitton one. I'm gonna put it all back to stock. See how it works. See if it cycles through. So I'll get back to you guys. Small little range video for you guys today. So stay tuned for some more content. Starting a vlog now, and I'll be posting on YouTube now. So go follow and subscribe on my YouTube channel, High Caliber Adventures. I'll be posting soon. Check you guys out. Bye.